uthi Vuyokazi sana uzenza fresh ngami please. Niyahamba niyomfollow amaqeda nizophinde nibuye la kimi nizokhomenta kabi. Kwenzakalani? Sizini isitori senu kahle kahle bogel. Uthi hayi sana uzenza fresh ningazomqhela So there was a viral video that was doing the rounds whereby Vuyokazi was seen kissing a man. At first, for some of us who don't know the man in question, we're like, who's this man? I thought it was another brother from, is it the north? From Nigeria. I was like, okay, we see you, Vuyo. Now, okay, you get the vibes. But only to find, actually, Bambiza DJ Zonzo, his vendor, if I'm not mistaken. I'm like, damn, I love a vendor man. I mean, like, I'm like, okay, Vuyo, we see you now. You're running with the big boys. You get the vibes. Because obviously, when I look at Uzonzo and Umpumelelo, clearly it seems like Uzonzo is older than Umpumelelo, unless maybe the books are deceiving me. You get, his looks are deceiving me. As you can see, the guy is even shocked with him. What's happening? Fine, they look like an item, because if they were not an item, you can see there's a little bit of chemistry, there's a little bit of physics happening between the two of them. But when Vuyokazi kissed the guy seems so short. You get. And there's also another video that's rotating whereby Vuyokazi is trying to talk to Indvodza yakhe when the bottle girls come, but Indvodza yakhe is busy in the club. He's almost with mangise clubbing ngizela ukuzojiva ume kancane dala ume kancane kodwa udala ulana udala ubathi naye indoda kodwa indoda shem ayikho lapho nomngane wakhe, they are busy taking selfies, dancing. The fact that Vuyokazi is dating DJ Zonzo, people are not happy. And I'm like, nihlangana, because let Vuyokazi make her own decision. Mdala. And also, we must also remember, we don't all experience abantu the same way. And someone mentioned the fact that Vuyokazi, whenever izingane zesithembu trend, she also wanna trend. But I've seen it before whereby she was trending when Umpumelelo and the vibes were trending nice. She would do something. Even with Jonase, as you can see, she was throwing jabs at Umpumelelo, we must be honest. But unfortunately, Umpumelelo did not give her the energy. Did not give her the energy ukuthi nje utrend ngami. Umpumelelo was like, yazini, mawengane zami, I'm gonna respect her and that's it. But Vuyokazi was busy. Her Jonase, and obviously, from someone like Vuyokazi who comes from a polygamous relationship with Umpumelelo kanye noTirelo. So obviously, whenever she speaks about Jonase, people are gonna say, oh, it's about Umpumelelo, the vibes, because maybe she learned her lessons. You get the vibes. And others are disappointed at the fact that she had to build herself to this point whereby we are so proud of her. We are like, look, it's girl, you're finally loving yourself, the vibes. Only for her to date a playboy with DJ Zonzo, umuntu nabantu abancane allegedly. Umuntu ofana noVuyokazi, I feel like sometimes, yes, it's good, it's fine, we found love in unexpected places, but if that's his preference according to what people are saying. And also DJ Hazel uvelile wathi hayi, probably this is AI, because ganjani, this is my man, this is my man, you get. Because it seems like DJ Zonzo is dating DJ Hazel, the relationships of the ones and twos. But Hazel manje umangele ukuthi and then kwenzakalani aningiqhaziseleni, and then ugeli wayesekhisa indoda yami, what's happening, kwenza la. Bese uVuyokazi akangeni le usemasandweni uVuyokazi uyayithandela. You can even see how he was touching the guy ukuthi yazini, she's finally found someone that makes her happy, someone that she can show to the world. Although people are like, oh, they are so disappointed because she was keeping her love life privately. uVuyokazi akafundi, like, let's be honest, uVuyokazi doesn't learn. Like, how many times must they hurt you until you realize ukuthi sometimes it's okay to date secretly. It's okay to date privately. Because her actions are giving basela ubelelo. Because why? You could have dated Uzonzo without having to publish him because look at her now. Right now, she's looking like a fool, just like she did with that chef guy. I feel sorry for Vuyokazi, but unfortunately, she made a bet she must lie on this because she knew what Uzonzo bani before she decided to kiss her in a club and post it. You get